Hey there, friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rebecca Austin, your Kajabi mentor and conversion coach. And today I want to have a real conversation about something most people don't talk about when it comes to online business. And that is how to build a sustainable business, one that lasts. Maybe you've started your journey or you're dreaming of creating a business that gives you freedom, fulfillment, and financial security. But here's the thing no one tells you. It's not just about strategy, it's about building something you can sustain. And that includes emotionally, energetically, and of course, practically. So today I'm sharing the truths behind sustainable success, the mindset shifts, the strategies, and the tools you need to create a business that doesn't just survive, but thrives for years to come. So stick with me because at the end of the video, you'll feel not only inspired, but also equipped to take meaningful action toward a business that aligns with your life and your values. And if you're ready to dive deeper into making your dream business a reality, schedule a call with me using the link in the description. I'd love to help you map out your next steps. So let's dive in. First, let's get real about one of the biggest myths out there, and that is overnight success. You see it all the time. Social media posts claiming six-figure launches, stories of entrepreneurs making it big in record time. And it's easy to think, why isn't that happening for me? But here's the truth. Success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Most of those overnight successes you see, they're years in the making. What you don't see is the work behind the scenes, the learning curves, the failed experiments, and the quiet moments of doubt. And that's okay, because building something sustainable means giving yourself permission to grow at your own pace. It's not about how fast you get there, it's about creating something that's built to last. Now let's talk about something deeper, the emotional side of sustainability. Building a business is one of the most exciting, fulfilling things you'll ever do, but it's also one of the most personal. Your business is an extension of you. It's your creativity, your energy, your vision. And that's why burnout is a real thing. If you're constantly pushing, striving, and hustling without pausing to recharge, you risk building something that feels heavy instead of fulfilling. And I can say that because I speak from experience. So often it's easy to get caught up in the grind and the day-to-day have-tos and shoulds, and instead of filling your cup so that you can come to your business with energy and connectivity so that you really connect with your audience. So here's a question for you. What does success feel like to you? Not what it looks like to others, but what it truly feels like in your body, your heart, and in your soul. When you answer that question, you can design a business that supports your well-being, not one that drains it. All right, let's shift gears and talk about strategy because sustainability isn't just emotional, it's practical too. And here are 3 of my favorite key strategies to keep your business running smoothly long-term. First of all, simplify. Simplify is my word for the year. And that especially it is applicable when we talk about things like simplifying your offers. Don't try to be everything to everyone. I made that mistake too in the beginning. I was trying to serve everybody. I wasn't saying no when I really should have. And I wasn't being specific on who I wanted to serve. So focus on 1 or 2 signature offers that solves a specific problem for your ideal audience. Notice those specific words, that's worth repeating. Focus on 1 or 2 signature offers that solves a specific problem for your ideal audience. Now with Kajabi, you can easily build and market these offers without overcomplicating things. Second strategy is automate where you can. Use tools like Kajabi's email automation and funnels to handle repetitive tasks. Automation frees up your time so you can focus on what you do best, serving your clients and creating new opportunities. And automation has never been easier, especially now with more and more tools like AI. For more on that, definitely click the like and subscribe because I will be sharing more tips on how to simplify your business through automation through AI. Measure and audit. That is the third strategy. Data doesn't lie. Regularly check your analytics to see what's working and what's not. When you stay curious and adaptable, your business can evolve with your audience needs. And looking at the analytics is a key part of that. So often, especially when we're first getting started, we're so focused on the day-to-day tasks and we're not looking at what the story that the analytics and the data is telling us, because that gives us so much more information so we can make quick and easy shifts and get better results faster. A sustainable business isn't just about mindset or strategy, it's also about having the right tools to support your vision. Now, Kajabi is my go-to platform for building a business that's both streamlined and scalable. It lets you create everything: your website, courses, coaching, email campaigns, even membership sites, all in one place. And their new community options are really amazing for connecting with your audience on a deeper level. And here's the best part: when you have the right tools, you save time, you save energy, and you save resources, giving you space to focus on what really matters. And that is your clients, your creativity, and your growth. Here's the thing that no one tells you too, and that is sustainability isn't about doing more, it's about doing less better. It's about trusting yourself, staying aligned with your purpose, and remembering that you don't have to do it all at once. Building a business is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to the life you're creating. So give yourself grace, celebrate the small wins, and remember, every sustainable business is built on a foundation of clarity, consistency, and connection. And there you have it, the truths, strategies, and tools for building a sustainable online business. Now, if you're ready to take the next step and want personalized support so that you can get there faster, so you can address all of the things that are blocking you and holding you back, I would love to connect with you. Schedule a call with me using the link in the description, and together we'll map out a plan for your unique journey. And don't forget, success isn't about rushing to the finish line. It's about creating something that feels good, that aligns with your values, and serves the people who need you the most. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it. And until next time, remember, the key to success is consistency and connection. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye for now.